For 2024, I almost hit $100,000. I hit the $10,000 mark, so I just picked up my trophy right now. Hi, my name is Sonia Rodriguez. I've been a notary since 2018, but I found Mark in 2019. I was going through the divorce, and my kids were going through a lot. My family was going through a lot, and I lost my job due to my daughter landing in the hospital, and so I had to find other ways to make money to survive. I ended up in jobs that I wasn't very happy to do, but because that marriage left me IRS debt of over $30,000, and I had a student loan of $120,000. I was going crazy. I couldn't even sleep. I would wake up with jitters because I was in constant stress and pressure too, like what's gonna happen next? How am I gonna do this next? And I wasn't happy with the jobs that I was doing at the moment, and because of fear of pressing that button and accepting Mark's course, because I didn't know if it was real or if it was just I was gonna lose $400. The price is not even close to the amount of money that you can make in this business. Mark Wills, the loan signing system, it was God. And God has always shown me that He's with me all the time. So that was a way for Him to show me, look here, this is the help that I'm gonna give you. This job got me out of those jobs that I wasn't very happy with. And it was, I prayed to God to give me a job that I was proud of, a job that I could show my family a change. So with this course, I was able to not only get out of my fear, get out of my zone, I was able to pay off those debts. This is all about loan signing. This is about this. This is a God sent. This right here, there's no fear of pressing that button, because this is gonna multiply the money that you're gonna spend. Okay, and not only that, this is gonna teach you how to save your money, how to secure your retirement, how to secure your family. I really genuinely feel that God sent me Mark in a very miracle way, and I can't thank Him enough, because He's the one that opened doors for me. For 2024, I almost hit $100,000, and I hit the $10,000 mark, so I just picked up my trophy right now. But there's no limit to this. If I can make it close to $100,000 in 1 year, my partners, my friends are making $1 million, $2 million, $500,000. We have to get out of our shells. We have to get out of the comfort zone, because you're the next one that can make this money, and you're the next one that can be financially free. I don't wake up with jitters anymore. I don't worry anymore. Now I'm building a foundation where I can help my children from my village, because I was born in Oaxaca. My first language is not even Spanish. It's a Zapotec, it's a dialect. So I come from the very bottom. I really come from the very, very bottom, and look where I am now. There's an infinite possibilities of where I'm gonna go. This is just the beginning. That's it. I'm coming.